Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I got this smoky purple look. So first I started with this NYX yellow eyeshadow and started putting it in my crease with a blending brush. After getting the yellow on there, I'm going to take the color Hot and Crowded out of the Morphe About Last Night palette and start to blend it into the yellow. Next, for my eyelid, I'm going to take this NYX lipstick. I forget the name of it, but I will put the details in the description below. And I'm just going to put this all over my eyelid. I put the lipstick on to use it as a base for this next color. I'm using the color Skyline out of that same palette. The lipstick creates a sticky base for it. Since it's so shimmery, I really want it to stick. As soon as I get it on there, I'm going to start blending it out. Once you're done blending that out, you're done with your eyes for now. I'm going to go off camera and do the other side, and then we'll do face. For foundation, I've switched from MAC to this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and let me just say that that was like the best thing I've done. Like, it's half the price and it has about the same coverage, but for half the price. Next, once I get my foundation on, I'm going to take my concealer, put it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and my chin. And then I'm going to take my NYX finishing spray and spray my face. Always spray before blending so that I don't have to get up and wet my sponge. Now for my setting powder, I use the Sascha Buttercup setting powder, and I just take a little bit. I don't like it to be like a lot on my face because I don't like to waste my products. Now while I'm letting that setting powder set for a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and do underneath my eyes. So I'm going to take that same color that we use, the Skyline, and put that underneath my eyes. Now out of this NYX highlighter duo, I'm going to take that gold and I'm going to spray the finishing spray on my brush to wet it, and I'm going to put that gold right in the corners of my eyes. Now I'm going to take my big brush and brush off the rest of that setting powder. Now I'm going to use this NYX matte bronzer and put it on my big fluffy brush and just put it on my cheeks and my forehead. The bronzer, it warms your face up and it kind of, like, it really does create that contour effect without you having to do a lot of blending. Now for highlighter and blush, I'm going to go and use that same NYX highlighter duo I've been using the past few days. I really love this thing. So after applying mascara and eyelashes, you are pretty much done with your look. The only thing left is to do lips. Now for lipstick, I did mix a few things together. Here I'm using the NYX dark brown lip liner, and I kind of smudged it into my lips. Then I put a MAC Spirit on top of that and a NYX Butter Gloss on top of that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will have a new video for you guys next week.